Just going to talk you through our bespoke loft hatch and bespoke loft hatch with ladder. This version is a 900 by 600 metal door with a 25mm picture frame. I'm just going to open it with our optional extra extended T-key. And as you can see, on the rear of the door, we've got a polystyrene infill, which gives you a low U value and more insulation in your loft space. The easiest way to fit this loft hatch is to unscrew the 3 bolts on the rear of the frame, take the door off, and that will give you a nice light frame. You can only fit the frame to your timber joists using the fixings provided. Then you simply get the door and hang it back on the 3 bolts and tighten up the 3 bolts, and then your loft hatch is fitted. This option comes with a Youngman extended loft ladder. We fit the loft ladder to the extension on the rear of the frame as standard, so it all comes complete on the rear of the frame. Simply pull the ladder down, hook provided, and that gives you access to your loft space. Nice and simple to close back up. And you can hook that out of the way. You can simply close up the loft hatch. Both options can be ordered through the website, and we also do a fire-rated version of the loft hatch. Just want to give you a close-up of the loft hatch so you can see it and explain how to measure when ordering. When ordering, all we require is timber to timber measurements